Here are straightforward steps to fix an iPhone screen flash for alerts that is not working or not showing. Make sure your supported iPhone is updated to the latest iOS 26.2 or later. Open the Settings app. Tap on General, then tap on Software Update. Supported iPhone models include iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Pro, iPhone 16 Pro Max, iPhone 16e, and all iPhone 17 series models. As you can see, my iPhone 15 Pro does not show this setting. Correct the flash screen settings. Open the Settings app, scroll down to Accessibility, then scroll again and tap on the Audio and Visual option. Scroll to the bottom and tap on Flash for Alerts. Turn on the Flash for Alerts toggle. Then select your preferred option, either LED flash only or both. Make sure Flash while unlocked is turned on, and also enable Flash in silent mode. Force restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button. After that, press and hold the power button until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears. Enter your lock screen passcode and check if the issue is fixed. If it's still not working, send feedback to Apple by opening the web form and submitting the details, or contact Apple support near you. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for new free tech guide video updates.